Hi guys, I am so excited to bring you my February new releases. These are the collections that I have planned to come out in February. These are all live in my Etsy shop right now. There might be some more Valentine's kits that come out. I'm not really planning on any, but you know when you find some clip art that you just fall in love with, you gotta make a kit. But for now, this is all that's planned. There are 4 collections. In total, I have 9 kits to show you guys today, but first I want to talk about the freebies that come this month. With every order, you will get your normal pen test sticker, so you can test your pen on my sticker paper without wasting a sticker that comes in the kit. And then every order placed in January will get our January freebie. Alright, so let's get on to the fun stuff, the kits. I'm going to start with the first collection that is my favorite collection. And you can tell it's my favorite because it's the one I chose for the monthly kit. So these are all in their cellos because I wanted to show you guys also how these come. Back here is where your freebies will go, and you will obviously have your packing slip, but they come in these nice little cellos. So let's get started with the monthly kit first. There will only be one February monthly kit coming out this month, and that will be this one. So this is part of the Be Mine collection, but I just call it my February 2018 monthly kit. Our front page has our, let me pull this out, our top header to cover this side and our header to cover the other side. And then we have strips, mini strips to mark off time and the 5 holidays in February. Our second page has our stackable sidebar, our sidebar headers, and then these full boxes that are intended to go down here. I wanted to show you what it would look like. Oh God, isn't he so cute? I really can't. He's just so cute, that dog. Our third page has our date dots, our bill dues, paydays, day off labels, and all of our icons. And then the last page has our longer date cover-up strip. 2 flags, one for up here. One of them is a blank white one if you just want to cover up this flag. Oops, let me put that back. We have 3 more full boxes. The 3 full boxes are intended to go right here. We have a small selection of deco, and then we have 16 labels, blank labels for you to use. So that is the 1 monthly kit coming out this month. Next in the Be Mine collection, we have our full vertical weekly kit. I'm only going to go over the format of the full kit once since it is the same. So our front page, which, guys, I am living for these colors. We have our 8 full boxes and 5 flags. Again, we have a blank flag in case you want to cover up. I guess I'll show you this again. So in the weekly section up here, this flag covers up the date cover strip, so you can choose to use one of these flags. You can choose to use whiteout, which I sometimes do, but sometimes it's nice just to have a blank flag to use for that. So that's the front page. On our second page, we have our ombre checklist and 2 regular checklists. 2 more regular checklists, patterned half boxes, solid quarter boxes, skinny appointment labels, large appointment labels, habit trackers, and bill due stickers. 2 more checklists, our solid washi and our little things. We have our weekly ombres, a weekend banner, 2 movie marquees, 2 3-dot checklists, our last 2 checklists, our small icons, canceled, rescheduled, nopes, and forgots, and all of our character girls, which are very, very cute. We have our large icons, our deco that I'm going to just hold up for you guys because it's so cute. Our date covers, our date dots, and our plan next week sticker. Then we have our glitter headers, regular headers, more large appointment labels, and solid flags. And then our bottom washi and pattern washi. So that is the Be Mine weekly kit that I am just so excited about. I think this is going to be my Valentine's Day kit, although I have so many to choose from. And then the last kit in this collection is the Be Mine mini kit. Again, I'm going to go over the layout just once of the mini kits, but the front page has the same full boxes as the full kit and our weekend banner. We have our bottom washi strips, and our habit tracker, our 8 checklist, 2 ombre weeklies, 2 3-dot checklist, our appointment labels, solid flags, small selection of deco, small icons, headers, little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, skinny and large appointment labels, and our girl character stickers here on the side. So that is the Be Mine mini kit. So for the Be Mine collection, we have our monthly kit, our full vertical kit, and our mini kit. Okay, so let me set these aside and I'll grab the next collection. So the next collection I'm going to show you is the My Valentine kit. This is the other contender for my Valentine's Day kit, so let's start with the full kit. So with this kit, you get, of course, the 8 full boxes, and there is a double box that is just so pretty. I'll just quickly go through this. Half boxes page, solid washi little things, first functional page. This deco, though, how cute is that? The glitter, this gray glitter is just giving me life. And the bottom washi, that's just so cute, isn't it? So that is the My Valentine Vertical Full Kit. And then we do have the mini kit. So the mini kit, we have our full boxes page, the washi page, first functional page with the small selection of deco, and the last functional page. So that is the My Valentine collection that comes in the full kit and the mini kit. So the next collection is the Sweetheart collection. This is the most, I don't know how to describe this. The colors are very light and this is fun. If I did not have a boyfriend, this would be my Valentine's kit because it's lovey without being all about couples. So we have the full kit where, these full boxes, look at that double box with the teddy bears. This also feels like a very kind of like little kid thing and like a little, kind of like a little kid's birthday kit is what it kind of feels like. The colors are so light that this color, I knew this light would wash these out so bad. But this color is very light in person, but you can see everything on it. Wow, it just feels bright, doesn't it? I love the love. There's the deco. Glitter that I tried to make a little brighter. And then I really, really love the Love bottom washi. I can't wait to see what that looks like. So that is the Sweetheart full kit and the Sweetheart kit in the mini kit format. Oh god, that double box is just so cute. And then the Weekend banner that looks so pale on the viewfinder. Small selection of deco. Okay, and that is the Sweetheart kit. So that is the Sweetheart collection that comes in the mini kit and the full vertical kit. So the last collection coming out for February is not a Valentine's love themed kit. I decided to come out with one that has like all the colors and kind of the feel of February, but isn't specifically Valentine's-y. Honestly, I don't know if I'll use this in the month of February because there's just so many like happy lovey kits. This might be one of my spring kits. So it is called the Strawberry Milkshake Kit. It's very, very cute. So this one also features a double box. We also have a girl and milkshake, candy, whatever. God, this is just giving me a cavity looking at it. Like, this kind of screams to me candy. I don't know why these colors do. Washi little things. The girls. I love this so much. Okay, so with the deco, I decided to make like one side pink, one side blue. I thought it'd be cute. This glitter, oh, I can't wait to use the glitter with this kit. And then the bottom washi, that's just so cute, and it's just like so festive. I wish, so this is gonna sound, I wish I had a week that would like do this kit justice in terms of like, you know, just like a kit that would be fun enough for me to feel cool using that kit. So that is the full kit. Let me grab the mini kit. So we've got our full boxes page. Again, that double box giving me life, man. Washi, functional, and functional too. So that is the full kit and the mini kit for the Strawberry Milkshake collection, the last collection I have to show you guys. So in terms of using the kits, I wanted to show you guys my design planner. This is where I put in kits I've made. This is what a full kit looks like. I mean, there was still a lot left after I used this kit, and that's not really what I want to show you guys because you know how with those 8 pages of stickers you can do no white space. I've been trying to do more using mini kits. So this is my Cozy Fall mini kit, all up in my planner, and I think I would manage with this. I'm planning on sometime in February maybe using a mini kit in my like personal Erin Condren just to see how it would work out. But mini kits do work in this. I use my mini kits mostly in my personal inserts, either my work inserts or my Rewind Plan With Me inserts. All right, let me bring out all the kits one last time. We have our Strawberry Milkshake Mini and Full, the Sweetheart Mini and Full, the My Valentine Mini and Full kit, and then the Be Mine Collection, the Mini kit, the Full kit, and we can't forget the February Monthly. So in the course of making stickers, I always make mistakes. Who doesn't? So I have a lot of like oops stickers lying around. Here's just a kind of like small selection just that I had within arm's reach. Not a lot is wrong with them. I mean, some's more than others. So like this one, I accidentally cut like the letters in here. What's a good example? This one, just things are just a little bit too off with the this icons page, things like that. So I don't feel comfortable selling like oops bags. I don't feel like my shop's to the point where that's an acceptable thing to do yet. So what I will do is if you include in the notes section of your order that you would like some oops stickers, I'll just throw in anywhere between 1 and 1,000,000 oops sheets depending on how many I have laying around. So just make sure to include that, and I'm only telling people on my YouTube channel, so you'll be the first to get it. So let's talk about pricing real quick. I keep my pricing pretty level on everything. So my monthly kits are all $5 because they are 4 sheets. The same goes for my mini kits. They are all 4 kits, so they are also only $5, and all my full kits are $10. So that's my pricing. If you use my coupon code down below for 15% off, no minimum, you can obviously get them for less, but I think $5 and $10 for these kits is a pretty reasonable price. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you pick up one of these kits or any of these kits for February or for whenever. I'm really proud of them and I'm so excited. They're all just slightly different in a way that makes me so happy. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can see all my planner videos and see upcoming new releases. Other than that, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!